4 beds, 3.5 baths, over 4,000 square foot with 2 private beaches and a pool. Need I say more? Of course I do, because this place is absolutely epic. Yo guys, this is Kevin Cesario with the C Group. Today, cannot wait to show you 142 Carmel Riviera, this spectacular home in the Yankee Point neighborhood. Steps away from 2 private beaches, an epic pool in the backyard, huge ocean views, and an incredibly large house. You cannot miss. Everything you want in your potential dream home is located right here. Let's go check it out.